Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve one more question of NEET 2025. Let us see what is the question here. A full wave rectifier circuit with the diode D1 and D2 are is shown in the figure. Okay, D1 and D2 is there. If input supply voltage VIN, that is 220 sine 100 pi t volt. Okay, then at t is equal to 15 millisecond. So here we are going to find out that at 15 millisecond D1 and D2 whether they will be forward bias or reverse bias. Okay, let us see how we can solve this question. So as we know that if we compare it with a sine omega t, then from here we can say that omega, that is 100 pi, and omega is 2 pi upon t. So here it is 100 pi, pi and pi cancel out. So from here we got 1 upon 50 second. Okay. Now if we talk about t is equal to 15 millisecond, then here we can see that how many rounds are completed. So as we know that t is equal to number of rounds into t. So from here we got n, that is number of rounds. So that will be t upon t. T is 15 millisecond. Okay, and the t, that is 1 upon 50. So from here we got that will be 750 and here will be 1000. So here we got 3 by 4. Okay, so actually number of round is 3 by 4 completed. Okay, it means we can say that from here it is half round and up to here it is 3 by 4 round. Okay, so from this curve we can see that if at t is equal to 0, we assume that this end is at higher potential and this end was at lower potential. At what time? At t is equal to 0 time. Then from this curve we can see that at t is equal to 3 by 4, or we can say that when 3 by 4 rounds are completed, then at this moment we can see that voltage that will be minus of 220 volt. Why? Because here it is plus of 220 volts. So we can say that at this time this end will be at minus 220 volt. Okay, in that case we can say that this will be in reverse bias, and if here it is minus 220 volt, then we can say that this end will be at positive potential, and in this case this D2 that will be in forward bias and that will be in reverse bias. Okay, so D1 that will be in reverse bias and D2 that will be in forward bias. So D2 in forward bias and D1 will be in reverse bias. But if we say that at t is equal to 0 time, this end is at negative potential and this end is at positive potential, then we will have to say that this D1 that will be in forward bias and the D2 that will be in reverse bias. Okay, so we can say that first and second both the options are correct, and it depends on whether at t is equal to 0 this end is at positive or negative potential. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you very much.